Hey, hope everyone's doing well. We're going to get into this first video in a series where we walk you through how to make your first purchase on the website, all the way to finishing your spirit and giving it a go. So I've got Google open. I'm just going to go ahead and hit search and we're going to type in Barreled Chronicles. You can obviously go to barrelchronicles.com if you just want to get there quick, but Google's also your friend. We'll jump in there. We will go straight to the store, top left. And once we have the store open, we can go ahead and take a look at all our different products. We do offer the single wood chip packs, accessories, and the wood sample kit packs for the 1, 2, and 3 liter. Our book here is now on the website. If you're not grabbing it off of Amazon, you can grab it right here when you're ordering your kits. We have the 2 liter barrel finishing kit. That's the one we're going to deal with tonight. So for that first wood chip selection, I'm going to pick that Amberana. And again, remember, that's going to be your 6 grams of Amberana wood chips for your 2 liter, 3 grams for your 1 liter, and 9 grams for your 3 liter. We also have the option to add additional wood chips. I'm going to go ahead and do all 6. So that way we have a extra amount of every flavor. That way we can kind of experiment and see what we got going on. We do also have the option to laser engrave for those of you that aren't aware of that. If you're looking for a present, a gift, a bachelor party gift, something of that nature, we are able to put any kind of personalization on there for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But for tonight, we'll go ahead and skip that. We'll add this to cart. I should have a address, a fake one already thrown in here. Let's go ahead and hit checkout. Hopefully it saved that. Yes, it sure did. So right now you can see we're in the state of Georgia. We still have that sales tax. We're going to hit continue here. Populate it with that fake address. And we're looking at $9.55 for shipping. We have 3 different options. We have Ground Advantage, Priority Mail, and Priority Mail Express. I'm usually picking that Priority Mail. Just gets here a little bit quicker. We have the option to use Google Pay if you're logged into your Google account, or we can go ahead and hit our credit debit card option. Once we complete this, that thing should be out in the mail to us very soon. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us back on our main page right here. Down at the bottom, we have this contact page. You can drop us a line, or you can jump directly into chat and we will answer those questions as soon as we see them. I hope this answers all your questions. If you have any more, please drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps us out here. It helps us get the message across, and it helps our community grow. Thank you guys very much, and we appreciate your time and help. Have a great night.